Welcome viewer, I am Msvcr120. This video tutorial describes how to fix Msvcr120.dll missing error in Windows 7, 8, 10. Type Visual C++ latest in browser search bar. Click latest supported Visual C++. First find your system type. Click File Explorer. Right-click this PC. Click Properties. My system type is x64 based system. Click Download Msvcr120.dll. Double-click Msvcr120.dll. Click Agree to the license terms and conditions. Click Install. Click Yes to continue. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.